Hi, I'm Josh Denbo here. I am a consumer protection attorney. I'm a foreclosure attorney. I deal with bankruptcy issues all the time. I've been to the New Jersey Supreme Court. I've won in the Supreme Court. I've been to the appellate division in New Jersey hundreds of times. I've been to the federal court system 100 times. I've set law. I've changed law, all on behalf of consumers. What I tell you, I know what I'm talking about, and you really ought to listen to me. Here's something you need to know if you're nervous about your home, foreclosure, losing your home, all of those incredibly stress-inducing problems. You're looking at bankruptcy and you really shouldn't. Okay? You shouldn't. Don't look at bankruptcy first. Bankruptcy is a tool. There's plenty of attorneys out there who do nothing but bankruptcy and don't do anything else and tell you that bankruptcy is the way to go to avoid foreclosure. It's not your first stop. It's never your first stop. It's never what you ought to be looking for first. What you ought to be looking for first is a solution to the problems you're facing through non-bankruptcy options. It's always there. It's always, it's almost always there. There are people who can't file bankruptcy, but 95% of the time, it's an option. Don't run to it. Keep it in your back pocket. Talk to someone who understands the entire process, who's sued banks hundreds of times and can win these cases given the right facts. Because if you've got the right facts on winning these cases and you file bankruptcy, throw your case out the window not half the time. And then you've lost your opportunity to sue the bank. You've lost your opportunity to reduce your principal. You've thrown out your claims. Look, it's not where you want to be going. You want to be being strategic and smart. So, if you're nervous about foreclosure, if you're nervous about losing your house, do not run to the New Jersey Bankruptcy Court. Don't start Googling Chapter 7 bankruptcy or Chapter 13 bankruptcy or listen to people on the internet who tell you, you ought to file bankruptcy. They don't know anything about your case. They don't know anything about your facts. They don't know anything about you. You can't just say to somebody, file bankruptcy. You need to say to someone, I've been in this fight for 25 years. I've gone to the Supreme Court and won. I've gone to the appellate division and won. I've gone to the federal courts and won. I've done the work. Don't run to a bankruptcy court. Don't run to a bankruptcy attorney. They are useful tools, very important, but that's not your first option. Your first option is to find a solution that involves defending yourself, modifying the loan when appropriate, using the CARES Act moratorium when appropriate, and fighting the foreclosure court. Because if you win, you don't need bankruptcy. So there you have it. That's my rant about people getting pushed into bankruptcy. It's my daily foreclosure video. And sorry for yelling everybody on a Sunday. All right? Be good.